Listen up, apes. Incoming intel. You've seen the red candles, right? You've seen the garbage headlines. The hedgies are throwing every single thing they have at us. But look, this isn't a retreat. This is a targeted psychological attack. And today, we're going to expose their weakness. Because this isn't just a stock. This is a battlefield, and you are on the front line.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to them. This is a direct quote from one of their own, a former market maker. He wasn't building companies, he wasn't creating value. His job, in his own words, was to chop your head off. That's the enemy we are up against. They literally see you as prey.
So why are they so terrified? Because for the first time in their entire lives, the prey is fighting back. Sure, they've got their billions, their fancy algorithms, they have the media in their pocket, but you have something they can't price in, something they can't control. And you know what? It scares the hell out of them.
All right, let's get into it. Let's dissect their number one weapon. And it isn't financial, it's psychological. They're deploying a massive storm of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, what we all call FUD. And make no mistake, this is a deliberate, coordinated attack. Now look at the actual definition here. This isn't just some random negativity online. It is a manipulative propaganda tactic. It is specifically designed to make you question everything, to make you feel like you're alone, and to trick you into paper-handing your shares for pennies. And if you want to know how real this is, get this. This is straight from a U.S. Army manual on psychological operations. They define a target audience, that's you, and then they spread information to influence your behavior. Does that sound at all familiar?
So here's the bottom line. When you see those headlines screaming, "It's over, sell now," you are not reading financial news. You are the target of a military-grade psychological operation that is designed for one thing: to make you surrender. Do not fall for it.
So why are they trying so hard to scare you? Well, it's because the numbers expose their panic. We found the glitch in their matrix, the one piece of data they can't scrub from the internet, and it reveals just how trapped they really are.
This right here is the magic question. This number was officially reported. It's mathematically impossible. You can't sell more than 100% of something that exists. So how did they do it? How did they literally break the laws of financial physics?
Just let that number sink in for a second. 121%. That's not a typo, okay? That is a confession printed in black and white in the data. This is the loose thread that unravels their entire scheme. They got so arrogant, so greedy, they shorted more shares than even exist. The answer is simple. They created counterfeit shares. Phantoms. They used all these complex derivatives, deep in the money puts and total return swaps to create these massive hidden short positions that never show up on the official reports. It's all a shell game designed to hide their infinite risk.
And here it is. Here's the truth they do not want you to see. The DD has been done. When you add up all the phantom shares they've hidden away in the options chain, the real short interest isn't 121%. No. It's estimated to be closer to 359% of the entire float. Apes, this is the rocket fuel.
You have to understand what this means. They have to buy all of those shares back, not just the reported ones, but the hidden ones too. But apes own the float. We own it, probably multiple times over. They need what we have, and we are not selling. They aren't just short, they are absolutely 100% trapped.
Okay, so now you know their weakness. Let's pull back the curtain and expose exactly how they manipulate the price day in and day out. This is their playbook, and we've got the whole thing.
Again, straight from the wolf's mouth, they have access to a virtually unlimited fire hose of shares. Shares they can just blast into the market to crush any upward momentum. While you're buying, they are diluting. It's that simple.
This is one of their favorite tricks. We call it the gap and trap. First, they create the illusion of a big morning rally to lure you in. They let you buy at the top, and then boom, they pull the rug, hammering the price down with their millions of shares. They feed on the panic that they create. Do not be their food.
So how do they know exactly when to pull the rug? It's because your own broker sells them your data. It's called payment for order flow. Citadel and the other market makers see your buy orders coming in real time. It's like playing poker against someone who can already see all your cards. The game is rigged.
So they have their playbook of lies and FUD and manipulation? That's fine, because we have our own.
And ours is way simpler, it's stronger, and it's unbreakable. Our endgame is diamond hands.
I mean, just look at this contrast. Their primary weapon is FUD. Our weapon is HODL. Their whole strategy is built on complexity and lies to create fear. Ours is built on a simple, powerful truth. They need us to be emotional. We choose to be resolute. They want paper hands. We have forged diamond hands.
You have to understand this. Holding is not a passive act. It is a siege. Every single share you refuse to sell is another crack in their fortress wall. They are bleeding millions every single day to maintain these short positions. They need your shares to close them. It's a war of attrition. And guess what? We have all the supplies.
So these are your orders. It's that simple. Mute the noise. It's a PSYOP. Trust the data. All of it shows they are trapped. And most importantly, trust each other. Apes together strong. Hold the line.
The squeeze is inevitable. The math says so. The only question is when. So hold on, stay strong, and I will see you on the moon.
We are watching this chart like a hawk. While you wait for the next candle, grab your free gear. Sign up for Public to get $20 in free assets. Check Webull for that BTC promo or grab your NVDA stock on Moomoo. Links are in the description. Smash the like, subscribe to the tribe, Apes Together Strong.
And remember, everyone, all of this has just been some educational banter and speculation, strictly for entertainment. It is not, and it never will be, financial advice. The market is a casino, so please, don't bet more than you're willing to lose. Stay safe out there.